Have you been looking for a native soup to cook for your family this time without breaking bank? Then come closer, I got your bag. Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to cook original Igbo Nsala soup. We do not use palm oil to cook this soup, and that is the reason why a lot of people call it white soup. This soup is a Nigerian native soup, admired and eaten by a lot of African countries. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In this particular Nsala soup, I will be using goat meat, but you can feel free to use any protein of your choice. Please excuse me to cut and wash it off the camera to save time. This year, there's no dull moment at all. I'm done cutting and washing the goat meat, and it is right inside my clean pot. And to it, I will add a little onion. It is a native soup, okay? Nsala soup is a native soup. For that reason, we don't use a lot of onion for the soup, but just to add a little taste to the goat meat. That is why I am adding a little onion to it, but I don't supposed to do that. Just bear that in mind, okay? After which, I will add some stockfish and seasoning powder, some dry pepper for some heat. You know it's a native soup, it needs some heat, some salt to taste, and I will go ahead to cover to steamer on low heat to release its own juice, because I brought the goat meat out from the fridge. Why I am cooking the goat meat and the stockfish together is because both of them have same cooking time, though this particular goat meat and stockfish are not tough at all. As the protein is cooking, let's peel our yam. This yam is going to serve as a thickener, and at the same time I will also slice the Uziza leaf as well. When it comes to Nsala soup or white soup, we the Igbos don't play with Uziza leaf because it enhances a lot of taste and flavor to the soup, which is extremely medicinal. Just bear in mind that the way you want the thickness of your soup determines the quantity of the yam you are going to cut, okay? Have you liked this video? If no, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video to families and friends, and drop your comment as you keep watching.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I seek what you teach.
The next ingredient we are going to prep is our dry fish. I will soak it with some warm water and then proceed to wash it off the camera. Please be sure that the list of all the ingredients used in this Nsala soup will be down in the description box. When we are done prepping, we'll go ahead to check the goat meat that has been on heat for some time, and as you can see, the goat meat has released its own liquid. I will go ahead to add the yam with diced in chunks earlier, and then top some water and allow both the yam and the meat to cook properly. The yam is very tender, and now I will remove it from the heat and set aside.
I do believe I always should have stayed.
After removing the yam, I will add what we call Prekese. That is what my Ghanaian friend call it, but in Nigeria some parts call it oyiyak, while other parts call it ohekre. I will also add the dry fish with the bone and wash earlier, and also top some water to cook the soup properly, and I will cover to cook further so that the Prekese will release its beautiful flavor before adding any other thing. Now let's pound the yam. If you have a big mortar, please you can use, but this is the mortar, the one I can present, okay? Please make sure you pound the yam when it is very hot so that it will be easy and quick for you. And we will keep pounding this yam until it is very smooth to handle. Please do bear in mind that you can as well use your food processor to do this instead.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
That we are done pounding the yam, next is to commence cooking properly. I will add some fresh pepper that I cubed for more heat because it's a native soup, it needs heat, and some crayfish, okay, and some salt to taste, and I will stir to combine. Do you see this nsala soup? It's one soup that does not keep anybody in the kitchen for a long time. It is one easy soup and delicious native soup that everybody need to try out. Once everything is good and well stirred, I will go ahead to add the pounded yam we pounded earlier in little portions in order to dissolve quickly and easily. After this, I will cover to cook for 10 minutes. Do you see this pounded yam? I feel like eating some.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons.
Before the yam finally dissolve, let's add our native spices, okay? And what I got in powder here is Uziza Seed, Ehuru, and other pepper, okay, blended together. You can decide to add ogiri, there is no problem about that, but as at the time this video was short, I do not have ogiri. Please do bear in mind, as I said earlier, that we do not use palm oil to cook this soup. That is why it is called white soup, aka nsala soup. After stirring together to combine, I will cover to cook for more 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, the nsala soup is ready. It looks so inviting, right? Let's check and balance the taste, and the taste was absolutely delicious. Okay, next is to add our Periwinkle, and this is totally optional, and some Uziza Leaf that we sliced earlier, and then we'll go ahead to stir and balance up everything, and then leave it for more 2 minutes to cook on a low heat. And here our delicious nsala soup is ready. You can enjoy this nsala soup with pounded yam or any swallow of your choice, but for me and my team today, we are enjoying ours with some unripe plantain swallow, which turned out a very perfect combo. Try this nsala soup and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube here. Please like this video, share this video, drop your comment, and subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.